So here's an idea that popped in my head. When the blinkers are on, I ordered a 36-inch LED strip from VLEDs, but I actually cut it down to a 26-inch strip and put it in the door jamb on the side. So this is the side of the truck, and that's the door jamb right there. That is when the blinkers are activated. The driver's side. Those are the V3 switchbacks, and here is the passenger side. Again, the door jambs right there. It's just an idea that popped into my head. It looks pretty good at night. You can't really see it during the day though.